What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cash Flows. My name is Wallace, and today I'm going to be doing the first video of a 4-part series of investments that I feel like are in the same realm of investments, and those 4 are going to be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and portfolios. So with the first video being stocks, I'm going to fully explain what a stock is, and what the benefits and what you get out of owning stocks. So stock is a single unit of ownership of a company. When you own units of a company, you are entitled to the earnings and the profits of the company. Now, businesses do this to raise capital so that they could grow their company further than what it is today. Now, although stocks are probably one of the simplest terms of investment, I feel like there's not really too much clarity of what you are owning or what you are entitled to when you actually have units of stocks of a company. So today I hope to explain that for you. So in the basic terms, owning a stock entitles you to the profits, earnings, and assets of companies. Now, a good way to find out what assets a company owns is to look at their balance sheet. Now, companies will have these balance sheets in their financial statements on their websites most of the time. Now, these balance sheets are generally open to the public on their website, and you are able to see what assets a company owns, what liabilities are, who they owe money to, and their net worth. So I'll use Apple as an example, and of course they have huge profits every single year due to their huge market share across the globe. Now, I don't think I have to tell you how many people have an iPhone, an iPad, has bought something off of iTunes, or owns an iWatch or a MacBook. Apple is a very, very profitable business, and as a shareholder, you are entitled to a portion of those profits. But it doesn't stop there. Now, companies are very complex organizations that will do any and everything to get their hands on something that could be profitable for them in the future. Now, these corporations have assets that they need to conduct their everyday business, such as machines, inventory, buildings, land. And of course, if they own the land and the buildings that they work on or use to operate, those are appreciating assets as well. So that contributes to the balance sheet net worth as well. But there are also assets that corporations and businesses own that you can't necessarily see or touch. Those are going to be the patents and the trademarks and the licenses that help these corporations build products that are distinguishable, that can be imitated in the market. Now, all these assets do contribute to the net worth of companies. Companies can grow larger and larger than countries themselves. Now, a lot of these stocks are going to have a really great feature called a dividend, and that's going to be a percentage of the profits that the company retains, but decides to pay that out to the investors simply because they're invested in the company. So these are fixed forms of income based on your total investment, and these are normally paid out quarterly, which is every 3 months, and these are perpetual, which means it's indefinite. If the management decides not to change or cancel this dividend, it will happen forever as long as you're invested in the company. Your stock investment is growing in 2 different ways. One, from the potential growth from the stock price increase, and as well as the dividend guarantee paid out, which happens every quarter. So when it comes to stocks, you could buy in and buy out within seconds. So they're very, very liquid investments, and they're typically never locked in. There's a ton of money flowing in the stock market, and millions of trades are happening every single day. So with the right decisions, there's a lot of money to be made. So that's the basics of what a stock is and how they work. And hopefully this video helps you understand that a bit more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm looking to at least drop a video every single week. Also, drop some video ideas for me so I know what kind of investment content you want me to continue on with. Once again, my name is Wallace. Thank you for watching Cash Flow.